Hi everyone. Today in this video we will see the new kinds of questions on SAT-Math 2023. So it's very important to focus. Please follow me on my TikTok channel at _SAT_math. Let me start. The table shows the pieces of three items in a certain store in January 15, 1913. On January 15, 1913, Ayana purchased eggs and tomatoes for a total of 0.50. She purchased 24 eggs. Based on the price of the table, how many pounds of potato did she purchase? He told that if we get eggs, x and y for potato, so we have x plus y equal 0.80. But we know that the 12 eggs is by 0.34. So if I have 24 eggs, I should multiply it by 2. So that is mean 0.74. So x plus 0.74 equals 0.80 minus 0.74 minus 0.74 to get the number of potatoes. Okay, if I change it here, if that's x and that's y. Okay, so x equal 0.06. That's for the potato. Okay, now every pound is 0.02, so I will divide it by 0.02, so I get 3. So the answer here is 3. Next question. Same information. On January 15, 1913, Samuel purchased S pound of sugar and B pounds of potato for a total of $0.16. The total weight of the purchase was 4 pounds. Based on the prices in the table, which system of equations represent the situation? We should look carefully for the question. Here the pound, okay, but give me directly the price. But here is the total weight, okay? So S plus B equal 4. Be careful, don't equal, it's not equal 0.16. S plus B equal 4. Now every pound of sugar 0.06 S and every pound of potato 0.02 B. Okay, that's the cost is 0.16. So be careful. Okay, so the answer here is A. This is a new idea. Okay, and they repeated this. The information cannot come directly for the arrangement of the words. Okay, so be careful. The function f is defined by f of x equal mx plus b, where m and b are constant, such as m is greater than or equal 1 and b between -7 and 7. Which of the following could be the graph of y equal f of x? M here is the slope, okay, and b here is the y intercept, okay. Now if we take this b between -7 and 7, if we concentrate more, look at this. This is, it's from -10, the y-intercept, so that's not correct. Here, for m greater than or equal 1, okay, the slope to be greater than or equal 1, the numerator should be greater than the denominator. Okay, the numerator should be greater than the numerator to get than greater than or equal 1. The numerator is the going up or down. The denominator is the going left or right. So the movement up or down should be more than left or right. Here, if we go from here to here, look, that's the left or right is greater than up or down. Here, look at that. If I going up and going right, the steps for going up is more than the steps for going right. So that's greater than or equal 1. So the answer is C. The ratio of a person weight on Earth to person weight on Moon is constant. An astronaut who weighed 440 Newton on Earth weighed 90 Newtons on Moon. Another astronaut weighed W Newton on Earth. Which of the following expression represent the astronaut weight Newtons on the Moon? Okay, we will take the information from the question. This is the Earth to the Moon. On the Earth 450, 540, and this is 90. He told me if it's W on the Earth, it's W on the Earth, how much on the Moon? We'll make cross product. So 90 W equal 440 X. I'm looking for X, so I will divide it by 440, 540. When we simplify it, this is 1 and this is 6, so it's W by 6. So X equal W by 6. That's the answer. Next question. As a literature major in a college, Seen has book written in the European author. The Europeans from British, French, Germany. Okay, categorized by book written. Let's start with the question. If a book referred to by the table that was written in the 20th century is to be selected random, the probability that the book was written by a British author is 15 by n. Which of the following is the best described n in this contest? For the probability, always the rule is the event over the sample space. This is the rule. The sample space. We will talk about British from the 20th century. So the sample space should be the 20th century. Look at this. The total number of the books? No. For the 20th century, the number of books written by British author? No, it's not. The number of books referred by the table that were written by French? That's not also true. So that is the sample space here, the 20th century. So the correct answer is B. Same table. Seen also read D books that were written in the 20th century by European author other than those in the table. The number of books referred to by the table that were written by a British author in 20th century is approximately 39% of D of the following. Which is the closest to the value of D that he told us about here? He told me that's 39% of D. So that's 35% of D. That's equal how much? The British author, that's 15. This is equal 15. Okay, as he said in the question. So divided by 0.39, divided by 0.39, so that's equal 38.46. So the answer here is C. Next question. The shaded regions shown represent the solution to which inequality? To which inequality? Okay. Look at the inequality here. Here the equality is below of y. So that should be y less than or equal. So that's not correct, and that's not correct. Okay. And if we look carefully for this line, here in the intersect here is a 3. the y-intercept is 3. So that's the y-intercept is 3, not 5. Okay, so that's the answer. It's very easy. Many questions in the SAT need a little bit think to get the correct answer. Which table could represent value of x and their corresponding value of f of x of decreasing exponential function? Decreasing for f of x. So we were looking for this value. Decreasing. This is increasing. 1, 2, 4. So that's not correct. And this is increasing. So that's not correct. Maybe this or this. For this we will 5, 8, 4, 2, 1. We will divide it by 2 every time. Here 25, 15. So here we subtract 8. Exponential. So that's the answer. Which equation has no solution? Which equation has no solution? Now, for this question, okay, but we can cancel these because they have the same sign. So we have 0 equal 1. Here, if we solve it, negative 2x, so negative x equal 2, so x equal negative 2. Here, the same. So that's 0 equals 0. And here if we divide it 1, so we have x equal negative 1. That's not correct. Okay, and that's not correct. Which one? X equal 0, 0 equals 0 or 0 equal 1? When you get 0 equals 0, remember that. It's infinitely many. When we have 0 equal 1, 4 equal 1, 3 equal 0, 2 equal 4, anything, that is no solution. So the answer is A. The radical A squared B6, okay, equivalent to which expression? That is A to the power 2, B to the power 6 to the power half. You remember that, the radical, we can write it like this. If it's here 3, we can write it like this. Okay, 1 over 3. Now, A to the power 2 to the power half and B to the power 6 to the power half. So that is 2 times half is 1 and 6 times half is 3. So AB to the power 3. That is the answer.